Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.DASH, short and sweet in chemistry. Also, I want to welcome the students of class 11th and class 12th. Here I am going to explain the important IUPAC name related to alkene. In part 4, part 5, part 6, already I have explained so many important IUPAC name of alkene that are very important for the examination point of view. In part 7 also I am going to explain the IUPAC name that is alkene related. See first one CH2 this side CH2 CH3 this side also the branch chain is there, then how can you see the longest chain 1 2 3 4 because double bond is there, that is why from this side you count 1 2 3 4. In 3 position there is a methyl group, in 2 position there is a ethyl group. So what is the name? 2 ethyl, 3 methyl, bute means 4 carbon, 1 in, after 1 there is a double bond, again see 2 ethyl, 3 methyl and bute 1 in. Next come to this one. This one you will select the longest chain, easy, 1 2 3 4, because you will count from this side because there is a double bond near to this side, that is why 1 2 3 4. That means here you can see 3 dimethyl bute 1 in. Here you can observe CH3 CH2, that is the double bond here, 1 2 3 4. In 3 position there are 2 methyl group, that is why 3 dimethyl bute 1 in. And here also you can see this is the one very much complicated structure you can feel, but if you will break easily, then you can understand how can you name it. It is very easy. You can see this side 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 6 7 8 9 10, that means longest chain is a 10 carbon, and so 10 mean you know deck. And how many double bond here? Only one. After 1 2 3 4 5, after 5 there is a double bond, that is why here see 5 in, completed double bond, and completed that is 7 ethyl, and also completed one is 9 position methyl group and 2 position, and here 5 9, yes sorry, in 5 position there is a methyl group, in 9 position there is a methyl group. Again you see this is the longest structure, and in very complicated structure you will find the longest chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 mean deck. After 5 there is a double bond, so 5 in completed. Then in our 5 position there is a methyl group, in 9 position there is a methyl group, so 5 9 dimethyl, and in 7 position there is a ethyl group, so 7 ethyl 5 9 dimethyl deck 5 in. I hope you feel easy. Again see 1 2 3 4 5, after 5 there is a double bond. The structure is a long one, longest one, but it is just like curve, like it is done like this and this. So don't feel very much difficult here. Here you feel how I will select the longest chain, that is the most important point. And where is the double bond, where are the substituent group, that much required. And it is easy, I told 2 ethyl 3 methyl bute 1 in, and here after 1 this side you will count 1 2, after 1 there is a double bond, longest chain bute 1 in 3 position there are 2 methyl group, so 3 dimethyl bute 1 in. And here it looks like a very complicated structure, but think a while how can you feel easy and finding the longest chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 deck. After 5 there is a double bond 5 in E, and after in 7 position there is a ethyl group, and 5 and 9 position there are 2 methyl group 5 9 dimethyl. So what is the name? 7 ethyl 5 9 dimethyl deck 5 in. That means dec mean that is 10 carbon atoms. Again we will see other names also by which you can feel easy how to give the IUPAC name of alkene. You can see here other examples. Now this one you see CS2 double bond. That means from this side you can count as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mean 5 pant. After 1 there is a double bond, pant 1 in. But what about number 2 position? This is the position 2, where you can find one ethyl group is there, but not a simple ethyl group. In ethyl group, in number 1 position there is a methyl. That is why 2 is the main, and here 1 dash methyl, and the total overall structure ethyl. So 1 dash methyl ethyl pant 1 in. And so here you can see how can you select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is the 6th longest chain. That means you will select the 6th longest chain, that is hexa 1 in. Why 1 in? Because after 1 there is a double bond 1 in, and in 3 position there is a ethyl group, so it is 3 ethyl hexa 1 in. So the substitute is ethyl, where it is 3. And now it is a bond formula. You can see here in 1 position, 3 position and 5 position there are 3 triple bonds, so 1, 3, 5 trine. And now in 4 position there is a methyl group, so the name is 4 methyl. And what is the longest chain carbon? That is 6, so it is 4 methyl hexa 1, 3, 5 trine. Trine mean 3, in mean double bond. So here this is the this is the bond formula, and here it is expanded formula, where you can see CS2. After CS2 1 there is double bond, so it is 1, that one, and after 3 there is a double bond, so 1, 3 and 5 trine. And here 4 position methyl, so it is 4 methyl hexa 1, 3, 5 trine. Please remember the bonded formula. If you can't do properly, you can't proceed properly, then immediately you form to change to what formula? Expanded formula, so that you can feel easy. Similarly, again you see if there is a 2 position, there is a group, ethyl group, but simply it is not ethyl, it is 1 dash methyl. This is methyl, 1 dash methyl ethyl, pant 1 in. Similarly, you will select the longest chain. This is the longest chain, and after 1 there is a double bond, and 2, 3 position there is ethyl group, 3 ethyl hexa 1 in. And similarly, if there is any way the bonded structure is there, please form change to expanded form, so that you can feel easy and so that you can do easily. Now I hope almost all important IUPAC name of alkene structure finish, and if the question is given structure, you can write the name. If the name is given, you can change to structure. I hope you can feel easy now. If any question comes to you, please try again by using all the structural formula what I have explained here. I hope you feel easy. Please subscribe my channel B.L.DASH short and sweet in chemistry, and please share and like my channel, and hope thanks for watching my video.